Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your YouTube banner fit on your iPhone. And so this is what my banner currently looks like. And as you can see, you can't even see my name, like it's cut off basically. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So basically first you want to go to Google and you want to find a background. I'm going to look for rose gold marble backgrounds because that's the type of background that I want. Images. And look for the image that we want. And I'm going to click that one. I'm going to hold it down and add it to photos. Exit out, and now you want to go to Phonto. Hit the image of the camera at the bottom. Plain images is what you want to go to. You want to change the dimensions. And you want to change the dimensions to 2560. And then the height is going to be 1440. Done. And then we're going to go ahead and use, okay. Then you want to go back. Oh, I'm sorry. No, yes. Then you want to go to add images because now we're going to go back to that image that we saved and add it to the background, which is this one. We're going to make it larger to cover the entire white background. Then we're going to go back into Google and we need to look for the YouTube banner template. YouTube banner template, okay? The gray one right there. Then we want to add that one to photos as well. Back to Phonto. Add the image. We're going to make that large as well. And it's going to cover that background we chose. Now on this part, we're going to go ahead and add the text that we want. And that's going to go in that darkest area, which says text and logo safe area. So my channel name is going to go there, which is Monica Rochelle X. Changing the font. Need to change the color. And then I need to make this larger. And then I'm going to place it, excuse me, I'm going to place it right in the banner. Okay, that seems like it's a little too big. And it's going to go right there. Now I'm going to add another title, which is basically what my content is about. So hair, beauty, and lifestyle is going to go underneath that. Lifestyle. Bam, bam. Okay. Then I'm going to make it the American typewriter font. Okay, hold on. I have to go back because the L is not capitalized. So hold on. Lifestyle. Okay, so then we're going to make this smaller. And then that's going to go right underneath our title. There we are. And then we're going to move the template just to see how it looks. And it so far is looking good. So we're going to put that back. And now I'm going to add 3 images. Okay. So add image. You can add any images you like. I'm going to add the images that are basically on my intro for my channel. So these are the 3 images. Now I'm going to make all these images small because of course they have to fit inside that dark banner area. So the size I'm going for is 4540. So 4540. Perfect. And then that's going to go right there. Perfect. I'm actually going to make this smaller and then move it a little bit. Okay. Next image, we're going to make it the same size, 4540. And then that's going to go right next to that one. You want to make sure that when you're putting the images on the banner that you don't put it directly on the line, because it will cut off and you won't be able to see your images on your iPhone or on a desktop computer. So next, final, last image, 4540. Add that one next to it. Now we're gonna take the background template away and see how it looks. And it's perfect. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove that. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and save the image. Okay, so the image is saved. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to put that on, I'm sorry, now I'm gonna show you guys how to upload it to your background on my laptop. So this is how my background is looking. And as you can see, it's a little bit better image, but the bottom is still cut off. So basically you want to click the banner background, select photo from your computer. The photo for the background that we made is right there. We're going to open it, and then we're going to go ahead and upload it. And then it displays how the banner is going to look on a desktop computer, a TV, and then a mobile phone, which looks pretty good from here. So we're going to go ahead and select it. And this is what the background looks like on the desktop computer. It's perfect fit. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like on my iPhone on YouTube. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my iPhone. And the banner is a perfect fit. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching. If this video was helpful, please make sure you comment below and let me know. Make sure you like and also hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.